SpeedGrade is definitely not built to be a video editing application. You certainly wouldn't want to use it for that, but sometimes you're in a pinch and sometimes you want to just make little tweaks here and there, and SpeedGrade has some tools to help you with that. So I have two clips here. I have a scary self-rocking chair. Pay no attention to the fishing line pulling it in the back there. And then we also have a little nightmare sequence where our heroine is running away and things are scary. But this rocking chair thing goes on way too long, so I want to trim it. So what I can do is grab one of the corners here, and you'll see these double-sided arrows like a chevron, and I could click and drag this, and that trims the clip. Now this does create a gap, so we can just click and move our second clip over, and it doesn't really snap or anything, but it kind of stops. It won't let you overlay the clips. So now our two clips are set. Now we could also trim some off the beginning of the second clip. As I click and drag that, you'll see that we have trimmed the clip, and then we would click and drag and move the clip and put it back where it goes there. Now what we can also do is we can grab this icon here, similar to the icon and the playhead. We could click and drag this icon and move this up, and simply get rid of clips that way as well. And if we click somewhere with our playhead, we can see that our footage is still here. And again, we can trim this if we want to. So basically, we can trim clips from the beginning and end of clips. We can click and move them in the timeline, and we could also remove them completely from the timeline while still keeping the rest of the timeline intact.